finally got a haircut. So this is a new series I'm trying to start. It's mail time, but kind of, well, really just mail time because I get a lot of stuff that I don't always get to feature in videos because they may not fit a theme, or they kind of just sit in my drawer waiting for a theme to come up. I buy a lot of this stuff, a lot of it gets sent to me, so this series is just about discovering the stuff that I get to play around with as well, and you might like as well. So I guess let's check it out. A Mealtime series is in no way original. I watch Your Average Consumer a lot. Judd, I don't know how he is disciplined enough to not open all those packages, but good on him. I only have a few here, and a lot of them are already open, but I grabbed a few that I thought were pretty interesting and worth showing off that I don't have planned for a video yet. But I figured to make it special, I will use a different knife for every video because I get a lot of knives. This one here is from Kershaw. This is the Fatback, a really wicked knife that I just started to use a lot just because of this. And it's such a beauty of a knife. The clean looking knife, which I usually don't like really industrial looking knives like this, or I guess badass looking knives. I'm more like utility. This has been so smooth and so sharp. Oh my God, I almost cut myself. Let's get into it with, I'm working with RhinoShield on an upcoming video. Ooh, actually these are their iPhone 12 samples, which the event is slated for October 13th, and they sent a bunch, which is pretty cool. These aren't finalized, so they're pre-production as well. I love RhinoShield Salvos cases from the beginning. They've supported my channel. This year, it's slightly textured and it's kind of matte, so it's not glossy and doesn't feel terrible. Yeah, the different backs. This is the carbon fiber here, all black model, ASMR. Okay, that was terrible. Just really nice to touch, especially with these new mini iPhones. I think these are gonna be amazing. I apologize ahead of time if it's just a bunch of rambling. I'm not very good at talking live, so I apologize if I say anything stupid. Please don't cancel me on Twitter. Next one, this is from Rotablade. Ooh, I purchased this recently. Coin, haptic coin, I believe. Oh, beauty, look at that. So this one side spins freely. There's some grooves for you to kind of catch on to. I find the coins are a lot easier to carry with you because it feels good in the hand because it's all round, and this is about the size of a toonie. So this one, we will finally get to use it is just tape, but opening up, BlackFox Bean Gen 2. These are made by Serge Panchenko. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right. And oh, beauty, look at that. This is the all black, and it's just this tiny little, I think it's the G10 scales, the quick flip here. I love this. Look how tiny that is. It's like the James brand Elko, a little bigger. It's the one where it's legal because there's no locking mechanism, I think that's the case, which I kind of prefer because then I don't have to always kind of reach in, but it still holds in really nicely. This is nice. Look at this texture. That's the BlackFox. What else did I get? I got these, my first Spyderco dog tag. I believe it's the Gen 4. So it's in the shape of a dog tag, and then there's a knife built into it that you kind of just flip out. Super thin, and it does have a clip there for if you do want to wear it like a dog tag, just have something always on you. But it's also just super easy to pocket because of how small it is, and it's really lightweight. And the last one I got from them, Benchmade Mini Bugout. Comes in a little baggie. Bam. Woo! Fell in love with the white and black, and I got this coming up in a future video. Simple knife again, not much to it. I'm sure there's more to it, but I don't know. I think this does something. Oh yeah, so it flips out like that, which I believe it might be partly illegal somewhere. Just remember, everywhere has their own laws, knife laws. Keep in mind, got this. Hopefully this video doesn't go past 30 minutes. This, oh, Zendure. They make a lot of really great battery packs, and they just released a new wireless headphones. They sent me this blue one here, which is really nice, actually. It's like a bean shaped. It's got like AirPods Pro style buds that go inside the ear. And ooh, I picked this up recently from fellow YouTuber Chris Ramsay, his own puzzle with Hanayama, which if you don't know Hanayama, they make some really wicked all metal puzzles. There's a sticker he includes. Because if you know Chris Ramsay, he loves them puzzles. All right, pop that open and look at that. That's it, nothing else. So the shape is his initials, Chris Ramsay, CR. And you gotta get this ring out of the lettering and then know how to put it back in properly as well. So I have no idea how this is gonna move because it's just, but if you know anything about puzzles, you just do random things, and one day, somehow, oh, look at that, popped right out. If you like puzzles, check out Chris Ramsay and his first chop. Oh, actually, he also sent a big kind of custom box. Oh, another sticker, snapbacks, toque, all yellow. Oh, I love these. He has some custom decks as well. Oh, beauty. So you got that gold foiling on the inside. Crazy. You got that Chris Ramsay logo again, foiling again. It's insane. That's so nice. Oh, first mask. Got a sweater with the gold logo there. Again, NASA looking type of thing. And then we got a patch and a pin. Just check out the box, like custom logo on the bottom, little quote at the top. GameSir sent out some gaming stuff. This is the keyboard, the one-handed keyboard and the game controller. This is the T4 Pro, which works on Switch, Android, iOS, and PC, which is really cool, having one controller to work with everything. It's really like, I opened this earlier, but it feels like a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Responsive, feels nice, all the buttons are tight. This big boy, this is interesting because it comes with this one-handed keyboard, but it also comes with a mouse too. So you got all your gaming peripherals in one, as well as the adapter. It's like mechanical style keys, and then you have this little joystick here. So as you're playing, you have access to a joystick if you're like super pro or something, which I'm not. And of course, RGB colors. Nice. Oh yes, these are just some fun things I got recently from Matador. This is their travel towel, perforated holes, so that if it is wet, it dries out really quick, but it's an easy way to store it. Pull that towel out, look at that. And these are quick drying towels, so if they do get wet, in theory, they should dry quick. Then you have the toiletry bottle, which is, you can put soap in it, shampoo, whatever, and there's like a, squeezes out. And this is a soap bar holder, so if you like bar soap, if you're like a psycho or something, this thing waterproof, it's sealed, so it keeps it dry. This is cool from Armatus. I purchased this because I thought, I've never seen something like this, and I didn't know how serious tin carrying was, like the Altoid tins, until I saw this. This is a Kydex holder with 2 strips of what feels like really thick plastic. Button snaps on both sides, survival kits or urban kits, that kind of thing, and it holds the whole kit. This is my own personal one. It doesn't come with this. That used to hold mints. This one's this first aid kit, which I thought was really cool. And then it just slips right in. And these are some serious button action. This is serious business. Then there is from Alpaka, and I love their stuff because they use Fidlock for one, so it makes it really easy to pull off, and then it just magnetically snaps on, but it doesn't come off if you don't want it to. This thing here is interchangeable through all the Fidlocks, so whatever accessory you have, you can just swap in and out. Sunglasses, this is like their card case, has a little flap here, that little pouch. They have the AirPods pouch, which we've seen before. Dispatch has one as well. Everything's built really well, and they do have one option that clips onto the bag and a long strap, so you can kind of secure it in. And they have the standard key ring option as well. So, wabam. Oh, and look at this apron I'm wearing. This is from four Dimensions, I think. 2-sided apron. This is like a bag in itself. This front has 2 pockets, zipper that goes all the way down, and these 2 top pockets as well. And I just like to wear these vests because I can go like this and rest my hand somewhere like it's wearing a hoodie, but a lot more freedom to do stuff. Also, this new Jordan 23 hat, engineered 20 whatever. This is really cool. I'm a big fan of hats, and when I find a hat that does something different than just being a hat, like this, it has 2 pouches on the top, which is like super silly. You'd never carry anything in your hat in these 2 pouches, but the idea that you have 2 extra pockets on your head is really cool, and it's really lightweight, breathable material. It's made by Jordan, so Nike, and you get that level of quality that you can expect. Would I ever carry this? Would I ever even wear it out in public? Maybe, but I think it's really cool. These are 2 metal plates that look like cards. They're an Etsy seller. I forgot the name, but again, all linked down below and probably right here. I don't really know if they have a purpose. They're just plates, and they kind of suddenly resemble cards. They got the Joker here, and you have the Ace of Spades. I just thought it was really cool if you, I don't know, you throw it in your wallet, you just have a hard edge of some sort, but also makes cool props that I can use in videos. I don't know. Those are cool. Lastly, Kershaw sent a bunch of other knives as well, and as you can tell, all of them really small guys. This is the Shuffle DIY 2, I think. Super thin. It's not like very premium build or like G10 titanium kind of thing, but it's just a really cool looking knife. I love Kershaw's designs. They're very like geometric and ergonomic as well. This is the Pub. You just spin it and it flips out a knife. And it's just really look compared to my finger. But it's like a tiny butcher knife. On the other end, you have a bottle opener, and you can just use it as a hang on something there. This is the PT-2, again, really small. It's not a knife, it's more of like a pry. You got a screwdriver, a wrench style for 3 sizes, bottle opener, and it's just tiny. Look at it, it fits in your hand. You can see the box cutter edge right there. This is the Cinder. Look at that. Tiny as well, bottle opener built in, clip release there. And this thing, look at that. It's just so cute. Little tiny little blade. Again, perfect to open boxes and carry with you on your keychain in case pry something, cut something, you know, loose threads and stuff like that. Anyways, that's it. My hands are dirty now. First unboxing, mail time. I think I'm gonna call it like what's in my box, what's in the mail. I'll figure it out. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it was too long, too boring. And that's it. I rest my mail time. It was very dangerous on top of knives.